students in the school right here.
Right here. Yeah, you're gonna post it on the internet. Blip, blip, blip. So whoop. Right. Then I run a mosquito got in my ear, bro. Imagine a mosquito got up your ass. Went up your ass. That would have been. And your ass is all scratchy. Of course. 24/7. Y'all gonna get ran over. I can. No. This is a day in our school. What? Day in our school. Post it on YouTube. Yeah, that's gonna be lame. HAROTC. He's gonna be lame. Send me all them videos. Okay.
I got the magic key.
That's why you're not getting in. Thank you. I'm trying to walk on you. Y'all see this? It's going on YouTube. You abusive. No. That's what she gets. This is going on YouTube. What do you say? What is this? I hate exercise. Okay. Get for the water. You want one?
My phone number is, you can believe it, my phone number 219.
What? Huh? Stop recording! This is not YouTube. You are crazy. You're YouTube. Oh. Shut up! Yeah, I take no W. I take a W. Whatever you want. We done. Wow, she missed. That wasn't gonna make anyways. Holy balls.
Garbage.
Oh.
I can't see.
He couldn't
No.
see, but he could like what?
When we do something like this next time, before you leave, I need some kind of student input. What would you do different? What would you add to that? What would you take away from it so we can make something like this better? Do it.
Say this on your YouTube channel? Yeah, I mean on YouTube, they hear it.
I will magic campus. Mosquitoes
Attention all
disappear.
Powder Puff players, make sure you're at the field at 5:30 to get your uniforms and to line up the teams.
Get out the building. Go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Can I run? Catch a burner? Are you still recording?
Yes.
God knows what just happened. What is y'all doing? We was gonna get burnt like chicken nuggets. Huh?
you when it's time.
9/11.
Well, shut up.
Whoa.
Why are you still recording?
Go that way.
Go that way?
We're in the gym.
See y'all. Oh no.
I was supposed to go the other way.
A day in the life of a high schooler.